How are you doing? Hope you're doing absolutely fine. Today I bring to you Flash X by Race Dynamics. These are the same people who make Powertronics ECU. Two things are installation is required. Just open up the right side panel of the Interceptor, as the demo is on the Interceptor, and open. Simple, nothing else required. Just put the seat back in. No switches, nothing whatsoever, no wire cutting, nothing. Just putting the seat back in, and nothing else has to be done. To activate it, with the indicator right, left, right and center. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? Hope you're doing absolutely fine. Today I bring to you Flash X by Race Dynamics. These are the same people who make Powertronics ECU remaps. Fantastic product. So let's get on with it. Installation is less than 2 minutes. So let's get on with the video. And the product that we have has two parts. One is the wiring harness and the other is the ECU module. Two things are installation is required. Just open up the right side panel of the Interceptor, as the demo is on the Interceptor, and open up the seat by pulling this plug, and make sure that you put the right side panel properly inside. Lots of my friends have lost this panel as they have not put it properly inside. So take the seat out and you can put it anywhere you want. Right next to the panel which you just took out, there is a plug. You just take out this plug, connect the male and the female, disconnect it. Very simple, nothing else has to be added. It is right next to the ECU module of the bike. Just connect the male to female and female to male. Nothing else is required. All done. This is the only thing that you have to connect. Then just take the ECU module of the hazard flasher and just connect it. You cannot connect it upside down. It will all be connected only one way. It has LED indicators also, so that when it's working you can see whether it's working or not. Just make sure that if you have a tape, you can just connect the tape right below the hazard module to the base of any part of the vehicle, so that it doesn't move too much, although it is shock proof and water resistant, so you won't have any problems of that sort as well. Simple, nothing else required. Just put the seat back in. No switches, nothing whatsoever, no wire cutting, nothing. Just putting the seat back in, and nothing else has to be done. After fitting the seat, we are absolutely done. So ladies and gentlemen, my target was 2 minutes, and I was able to do it at 1 minute 34 seconds, which is quite impressive, and I'm sure it can be done even faster. The biggest plus point it has is it's got 60 different patterns. Along with the patterns, the brake light in some flashes has integration with the flasher. So what happens is the brake light also flashes with the flasher. Now I'm just going to switch on the vehicle and show you how it activates and deactivates. You just switch the vehicle on. I'm just going to go to the other side so that it will be easier for you to understand and for me to explain to you. To activate it, with the indicator right, left, right and center. That activates the flasher. As simple as that. Now the flasher is activated. Now what if you want to change the pattern? Just towards the left and center, the pattern changes. Left, center, the pattern changes. I'm just going to climb up so that you'll have the better view of both the flashes working. Left, the front, changes the flasher. Then I'm going to press left again just to show you another pattern, so that you know the different patterns available. And if you want to cancel it, just press right and center. This will do the cancellation of all the flashes and become an indicator by itself. If you want to restart it, right, left, right and center will activate the flasher. And that's it guys, all done, nothing else. Just a recap: 60 patterns, integrated brake flasher pattern in some flashers, 3 years warranty, no cutting of the wires, integrated with the indicator, and top-notch product. Very simple installation, less than 1.5 minutes. What else do we need here? And suppose if you want to take the flasher out, just do the reverse. We are all done. Nothing is required. Simple, top-notch product. Quite happy with it. Just wanted to share with you guys. Keep riding, stay safe and keep learning as always. SGV Turbo taking your leave and signing off. See you next time. So ladies and gentlemen, especially for you, this bike Absolute fantastic bike. No two ways about it. The kind of performance it's going to deliver, it's going to be mind-boggling. So I'm hoping for the best. Let's see how it goes. I believe you'll be absolutely impressed. Alright guys, let's go. Oh my god, it's got punch. It's really got big punch. Oh my god, it's got a ton of punches.